Welcome to this video on what's new in Clicker CloudCenter 4.4. This release features a new UI-based walkthrough, also stretchable application profiles in deploy phase of the lifecycle, along with numerous improvements to model, manage, and administration areas. The first thing users will notice is the new walkthrough area of the UI. By choosing a walkthrough, users and administrators can choose to be walked step by step through over 25 product goals, from creating a cloud to modeling an application. This means using CloudCenter has never been easier or faster for your users to adopt and start being successful with. When modeling applications, two improvements have been made. First, there's a new parameter type simply called password. It allows users to provide a password but not have it checked against the CloudCenter password rules. This is important when supplying or creating passwords for external systems that might have different password criteria. The previous password functionality with a confirmation field can be found under the parameter type of password with confirmation. Next is the web service parameter that allows CloudCenter to go out to an external system to populate the drop-down list of values. This minimizes drop-down list maintenance and potential user error. When deploying applications, CloudCenter's agnostic application profiles now support having applications stretched across any number of clouds by placing separate tiers in different locations at deploy time. If Cisco ACI is used, applications can even be deployed with microsegmentation across APIC pods and ACI stretched network fabrics, reaching out to the public cloud. With or without microsegmentation, CloudCenter can deploy application tiers to any combination of data center, public, or private cloud. It's easy to use. Simply select Hybrid from the Deployment Environment dropdown and select the target cloud for each of the tiers of the application. Further improvements to deployment include support for Dimension Data MCP 2.0, support for advanced networks in CloudStack, the ability to display log messages in the UI from external services, and removing the requirement of Microsoft Data Services when using Azure. Added to help manage deployed applications is that jobs now display the application profile name that they were deployed from. This makes it easier for application profiles to be found and updated if changes need to be made. The unified administration and governance features gain more flexibility through enhancements to deployment environments. Administrators can now associate multiple accounts to clouds within each deployment environment, along with setting defaults. This means that less technical users can just hit deploy without having to set any values, while letting more technical users alter the defaults at deploy time in the advanced areas. Furthermore, admins can now reset a subtenant's password through the subtenant's admin page, as well as choose to not create security groups in AWS through a tenant-level configuration. Making the creation of user security groups optional ensures that if a cloud account only has a limited amount of firewall rules, that they aren't consumed by users deploying through Clicker. Lastly, there have been several changes in the architecture, which include new installations supporting MariaDB, the Manager, Orchestrator, and AMQP servers being upgraded to use Java 8 and Tomcat 8, Spring, Hibernate, AWS Client, and Hazelcast libraries being upgraded to their latest versions, and AMQP now being able to be installed on the Manager server for enterprise service buses. If you're interested in other topics, please see our other videos, or to schedule a demo, go to clicker.com.